Okay, I guess I'm going to start taking it apart today. This might take a while. I don't really know what I'm doing, so I'm just going to start taking it apart. I'm assuming one of these is the clutch, I don't know, so I'll take this apart, I guess. It's missing a lot of screws in here. I guess I'll figure out what all this stuff is once I get it all taken apart. Okay, I guess this is sealed on there. Got the screw out. Okay, I think this is a clutch. Yeah, that's the clutch. Okay. Marker. Okay, I guess we'll find that later. I'm keeping everything in plastic bags so keep the right parts together. So, okay. Keep going on this side. Okay, so we had some more camera difficulties. I went ahead and took most stuff off of this side that needed to be taken apart. I'm gonna get this side now. Okay. Oh no, I think this is the clutch. That wasn't the clutch over there. This is the clutch, definitely. I really don't know anything about these, but I'd say this is definitely the clutch over here. Doesn't look too bad. Okay. Actually, it's not gonna fit. Screws in here. I have basically no idea what I'm doing. This is completely different from what I'm used to. I'll figure it out. Took a while. Oh my gosh, I'm done. Okay. Oh my gosh, this is... Okay, I think this was what you do to drain the coolant, and that's what I just took out. So, it shows you I have no idea what I'm doing. Yeah, that was just the drain for the coolant, which I already drained, so out of the other way, because I took the hose off and just drained it out, but okay. Push this back in. Okay. Well, I guess I got this side. Okay, well, I guess this is it for today. I guess we'll finish it tomorrow, or whenever I get time. But, so, yeah. Guess I'll get this eventually. I think that's all we need to do for now. And we can take the whole side off, you know. Actually, I'm gonna go ahead and do that. See if I can just take the side off. It might be sealed on pretty good, I don't know. Everything else seemed to come off pretty easily. So, this is coming off. Guess we'll have to take the Kickstarter off. Should pay attention. I'm guessing this is how you do it. Maybe. I don't know. I'll come back later whenever I finish. Okay, so you got the Kickstarter off and pulled this off. Goes like this. It's like a seal. Anyway, yeah. So, I guess, that's about it. We did a lot more than I thought I'd be able to get done in this small amount of time. I don't really know how this all works, so, I'll have to do some research or get someone out here that knows more. So I don't know. This is a lot different from a car engine, so I'm used to, you know. With it, well, first of all, it only has one cylinder, and it is the same thing as the transmission, well, I guess it's the transmission. And yeah, the clutch is over here instead of in between, and yeah, it's all. I thought this over here was the clutch for some. I don't even know what that is over there. Looks like an alternator almost, but I have no idea what that is. I don't know. I will have to do some research on this. I don't know. So I guess that's it. Make sure to like and subscribe and tell your friends. So bye, I guess.